In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact AliExpress customer service. If you're having trouble with an order, need help with a refund, or just have a question, I'll guide you through the official path on the website to open a support chat quickly and safely. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for AliExpress. You can also type the address directly if you know it, but a quick search works well. As the results load, look for the official AliExpress website. It should clearly show the AliExpress brand and the correct domain. Avoid sponsored links or lookalike sites and check for the secure padlock icon in the address bar to confirm you're on the legitimate page. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account area. On desktop, you'll typically see account or an icon that represents your profile. On mobile, you may see a profile or me icon. The wording can vary slightly by region and language, but the idea is the same. Click the Sign In button and log into your account using your usual credentials. Follow any prompts you see, such as verification checks. Being signed in helps the support system pull up your orders and account details, which speeds up the help you'll receive. After you're signed in, open your account tab. This is your personal dashboard where key links live, including access to support resources. If you don't see a full page load for your account, look for a drop-down under your profile icon and choose the account option there. Inside your account area, find and click the Help Center. This is the main hub for assistance, with answers to common questions about orders, payments, shipping, and disputes. Even if you plan to chat, it's the correct doorway to the live support tools. In the Help Center, scroll down until you see Online Service and click it. Depending on your location or the time of day, it may appear as Online Service or Live Chat, but it serves the same purpose, connecting you to AliExpress support. A chat window with the virtual assistant, often called Eva, will open. Describe your issue clearly. Include useful details like your order number, item name, and what you've already tried. The assistant will suggest the right category and guide you through solutions, and in many cases can route you to the next step if more help is needed. If the chat doesn't launch, try disabling pop-up blockers or switching browsers and then repeat the same path. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll reach AliExpress customer service through their official chat.